So I'm at 14 St Stephen's Hill today. It's a 2-bedroom mid-terrace listed cottage. It's full of character, absolutely delightful. Lovely kitchen coming onto the back garden here, and a very quaint living room, and a good bathroom on the first floor as well. Outside you have a lovely big garden. It's very long, it's stocked with vegetables, and also a couple of little seating areas to enjoy the sunshine. There is a studio and an outside toilet, as well as a little courtyard. So if you'd like to find out more, watch the video, and then if you'd like to view yourself, book a viewing. Take care.